Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your template from Canva, which is a website template. So just click on a download button and then let's go to use this template for new design. Once you open it actually in Canva, let's review the layout and the structure of the website. Make sure it fits your brand and what you need to say to stay on top of your brand. Um, if there is anything that you would like to change, let's start there. So let's start first by, let's say, tweaking any of the pages you don't like. So let's cut this page and delete it. So it's deleted now. From total of 18 pages, we are now, we have total of 17. So let's say we want to delete this one as well. So now we are on total of 16 pages. So let's start from the beginning. So let's, instead of this photo, let's put your own images that you can that you have. So actually go on the left hand side, click on photos, and you can search for let's say portrait photos. Of course, as you have your own, you will upload it from this section, but as this is a new account that we use only for demonstration, I actually don't have any images here. So let's go on photos. Make sure you use images without any of this little, let's say, crown, in case you don't if you're like us and you don't have a pro account. So let's use this one as it's free. So now we can see that it's quite bright and that we would need to change our colors as well. So let's go ahead and change the color so a bit darker. So let's use this one. We can also change it like this by scooping all the text. You can make it bold and change the color. So as you can see now that it doesn't really reflect well. So let's go ahead and try to find something different. So I'm just going to use try to use any images which are free to use, but go ahead and upload your own portrait photos or any photos that you might need to use. So now I think the contrast would be better to use the white color. So now it looks actually looks quite great, and this is much better now. Let's go ahead and change the color of the background. So let's use some primary color, which is going to be, let's say, bluish, like that. And then you can just go ahead and, let's say, all of these we can change in the same color with just one click here. So if you go to review it, you will see now that we have two colors. So blue as a primary, or this earthy color can be primary too. So we can go further and exchange all the images with your own. Of course, you're gonna upload your own. And then I think it's at the last page as well. So we can replace it here as well. You can put like images of your theme or anything else that you might need. So after that, we can just go at the beginning and change the placeholder text. So let's say you just want to leave as a weight loss and you are based, I don't know, let's say New York. And then we can go further and change any text that you think it would suit your brand better. So we can delete this in case you don't need it. We can change these colors as well. We can place it to look different. Of course, it's not going to be 95% of years, but you know what I mean. So you can just play around and change anything that you don't like, or just do it like this. And then further, what I would like to mention is after you change all the text and you like the layout and you like how it looks and feels, then you can start checking links. So as you can see here, we did link all the hyperlinks here. So to edit them, you will actually just need to tweak it a bit. So let's start at the beginning. So what we like to do is actually your logo should always come and lead to your home page. So once you click here, actually it should, wherever you see logo, usually we think of that it will take you somewhere once you click on it. So once you click on this one, it should, on your logo, it should take you to the home page. So once you click on it, we already did it. It's already linked to the home page. So if you want to change it, and let's say if you want your logo to lead somewhere else on your, let's say, programs or contact page, we can do that. So let's ungroup it first. And let's say you see that it's underlined. Let me show you. So it's underlined here. It means that it contains the link already. So as I don't like the look of the underlined text, we usually, we can remove it by this. Just click on underline. It still has a link. You can see that it's linked to a home page, but now it looks a bit more aesthetically pleasing by removing this underline. So let's show you how to edit this link. So you can see now it's linked to a home page and you can edit the link. You can change it to any other page. So let's say you wanted to go to contact page. So now it's already linked. You just need to click done and that's it. As I said, I don't like this underline, so let's remove it. And I want the whole logo, all this icon and text to go exactly there. So let's just group it. And now once the website is actually published and once you click on this logo, it will take you to your contact page. So what we actually did is all this navigation page and navigation, it actually takes you where it says. So home takes you to home, obviously, about me to about me section, contact to contact me section. So you can see that it's already linked. But let me show you how to do it one more time. So contact, you can click here and just choose, first clear it, and then choose any of the pages that you would love to go there for your clients. So let's say contact, let's leave contact with contact. So we have the same issue again. So we just need to click on underline again and it's gone. Packages, we did connect it with packages. So let's clear it one more time and then just go to, let's say, any other packages. Let's place it here to go to how it works. So it's done. It's now connected to how it works page. Let's click this one more time and that's about it. The next thing which I would like to talk about is once you go through your website, just make sure you go ahead and check all the links. So there's not too many call to action buttons, but just make sure you go ahead and check there is connectivity with all of them and that actually they lead somewhere so your clients don't get confused with that. So let's start. It's also, let me show you, it's also connected with subscription. Let's book a consultation. See that they're all already linked. Even on this little page at the end, back to the top of the page, it's connected with our home page, which is great. So basically for you, you would just need to connect your these buttons with your own, let's say, scheduling calls, any of the services that you want to be connected also subscribe button. Let me show you that it also takes, but how to change it, it's also very easy. So you just need to put your provider here. It's quite easy. Once you do it, it's just you need to click on done button and that's it. We love to group it by selecting both, making a group, and then the actual button has the purpose. You don't have to actually click here, then you would just need to click on the button itself. So let's go to the beginning and then start reviewing anything else that we would need to do. What I would like you to do is actually just go ahead, have a cup of coffee, and read the content. Check that all text fits your brand and persona, as we want you for your website to look professional and polished. I assure you there's no typos or anything. I just want you to go ahead and read through it, as I think it's going to be important that it reflects you personally. So what I like you to what I would like you to know is that Canva automatically saves your design, which is amazing. So you don't have to go and save it 3 million times while you are editing, but it's actually a good idea. So you can just go and save it. And if you're happy with everything, you can just go and basically publish it, and that's it. It's so easy. It takes you maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but the most important things are actually going to be to edit the content that fits your business. Let's say your programs, what you're offering, packages, which are all different. Also, you can insert the true client reviews, which is actually great if they allow you to use their own images. If not, this works well as well. Just make sure that you use as the best photos as you can, that they don't look too polished, like too stock stock images, which people will know it's fake straight away. I think I did cover everything, but let me show you now. Obviously, you're gonna change this as well. Let me show you now how you're gonna publish the website. So you will publish the website by just clicking here. The website will be live in 24 to 48 hours. And you can just put, let's say, if your name is, I don't know, Monica Geller. And then we can just hit the published website. So it's going to be Monica Geller at canvasite.com, and it just takes a few seconds. Now you can see it already and check how it looks like. And now it's actually the time to check that your buttons and call to action buttons, your logo, your navigation works. So let's go ahead and do that. So home is obviously home. We're gonna stay here. About me is gonna take us to about me. Book a call is gonna take us where? To, yeah, book a call. Let's go further. Let's find another call to action button. So basically, just scroll down, go to book appointment, the same website. You can link any that you're actually using. This will be the same one. And then the next one is subscribe to my newsletter, which is still a provider, but you can insert any of yours. And then let's go to the bottom of the page, and then you will obviously have your own details. And as I said before, to go back to the page, just click here. And that's about it. So home page, you can see that it works. Yeah, we actually connected it with the different ones. So yeah, with the but our logo is connected with connect page and contact details. So let's check this one. So what's really important is actually just for you to make sure that you link your own providers for the services, for booking, and etc. And that's about it. This is how your website now looks like. You can see here that is actually Monica Geller, my Canva site. You can actually remove this, but you would need to have your own website. You can use your domain, or you would have also to have a Canva subscription. But this looks great as well. Like, it's easy peasy. It's just 15 minutes of your time. And what's the best thing is that you can actually edit it anytime you like. So we can publish it again. And what I wanted to show you, one last thing, is of course you're gonna resize it for the mobile, for iPhones, Androids, etc. But you can also include navigation menu. So navigation menu, once you click here, it's going to show you that it's going to look different. So let's just check that. And I think we can wrap up after that. So visit the website, and now you can see, once you tick that box to show you the navigation page as well, navigation bar, you actually have an extra one. It's actually not the extra one, it's just I wanted to look a bit different from design perspective, that looks more appealing this way. But in case you would like to keep this one, what you would actually need to do is just go back on editing and edit your design. And then if you don't want this, and if you want just this bar, you would need to go and just delete everything. And then again, publish, republish the website. We did it already 5 times, but that's okay. Usually it takes less than 24 or 48 hours to be live, but Canva says it can take up to 48 hours. And now, as you can see, there is no navigation bar, but because we just forgot to do something. So let's say edit once again, and then include navigation bar. So once again, it will show us the navigation bar, and that's about it. Visit the website. Now you have a different bar, navigation bar, and that's about it. In case you change your mind and you want to do it one more time, you can actually put the navigation bar. But putting navigation bar is actually easy. So it's basically you typing as any other text, and just typing the pages you think you need. But if you do this, please note that you would have to link again all the pages and put the hyperlinks, and that's about it. So link, so it's going to show you again about me. Done. That's about it. And last thing, but last but not the least, how to, if you want to delete these ones again, and you want navigation bar to be showing more pages. Let's say how to name. You have now 16 pages. You want here navigation bar to have at least 8 different sections, which I think is excessive, but that's okay. If you want more, yeah, if you think it's necessary, of course, go ahead. But you're going to rename the name of the page here, and that's how Canva will know what actually to include in your navigation bar. So add notes, home. You can see that we already named it home. So let's say you want to name this home page. That's it. So just let's go ahead and name this. Add notes. You see that it doesn't have a title, so let's just place something. Name it well-being. Click enter. That's about it. And now, once you go and publish the website, we were going to say that we want a bar, navigation menu, we publish the website, and now we're going to have extra navigation option. So visit the, so you can see that we have well-being options, which takes us here. So that's basically it. It's quite easy. I think we did cover everything, but in case you do have any questions, you can always reach out and don't be shy to ask us anything. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you find it easy.